Hi everyone, so we are back with the gateway questions of 125 and we are here for number 84, and here is our function f of t equal to 4t cubed minus 6 over t plus 2 over sine 3t squared plus 1. So here, the first term looks good, and if you look at the second term, it looks like a quotient, and the third term also looks like a quotient. So one way is to apply the quotient rule, but I want to show you another way, which is kind of, I think, easier. So another way to handle this kind of expressions is, so this is 6, the constant over t, I can just make it as t to the minus 1, because we know 1 over t is just equal to t to the minus 1. So let's turn this function into a better look, which I think it is easier to take the derivative in that look. So 4t cubed minus 6, I keep 6 and I make 1 over t to t to the minus 1 plus, and I want to apply the same thing here. Again, I have a constant over something. I want to make this sine 3t squared plus 1 to a minus 1. Which I think kind of now a bit easier to take the derivative, but you can apply the other way if you are more comfortable. Okay, so let's start taking the derivatives now. So f prime of t is equal to, so I start with the first term, so there are some addition and subtraction, and we can take the derivative term by term if they are added and subtracted. So let's focus on the first term. It is 4t cubed. So in order to take derivative, I need to apply the power rule. So 4 times I bring the power in front and subtract 1 from the exponent, which becomes this. Now I am done with the first term, so let's look at the second term. Second term also looks like a power, so I need to apply the power rule again. So I have minus 6, and I want to bring this exponent here. I need to be a bit careful. Don't forget the negative 1. Times, I need to subtract 1 from the exponent. So minus 1 again becomes minus 2. Be careful with these calculations. Plus, so now I am also done with the second term. So let's focus on the last one. So last one seems quite, so I shouldn't say complicated, but it seems like composition of more than one function. So I need to apply some kind of a chain rule. So let's first check what is the outside function here. So it looks clear which one is the outside one. It's minus 1, and I have sine, and I have another one. So let's start applying the chain rule. So first I need to bring, so this is like chain rule and power rule, you can call it. So I will apply the power rule here. So plus, let me continue over here. So plus, I need to bring the exponent, I need to multiply it with negative 1. And then, so I need to continue here. So I need to keep the inside function as it is, 3t squared plus 1. And then I need to subtract 1 from the exponent, which is minus 2 times. Now I didn't finish. I need to continue with the derivative of inside. So let's write it as sine 3t squared plus 1 to the derivative. Okay. Now I am done with all the derivatives except this term. So let's try to understand what is the derivative of this term here. So let's focus on here. So what is the derivative of sine 3t squared plus 1? Again, there are two composed functions here, sine and 3t squared plus 1. So I am starting with the outside. So derivative of outside function is cosine, and keep the inside as it is in the first place. Times, then I need to focus on the inside function and take the derivative of it. So 3t squared plus 1, derivative of this becomes 3 times. So bring the exponent, it is 2t. And plus 1, derivative of 1 is just 0. Okay, so now I am here. I took every derivative, so let's try to write this in a better form now. Okay, so f prime of t becomes equal to 4 times 3 times t squared minus 6 times minus 1 times t to the minus 2. So plus all the expressions, 2 minus 1 sine 3t squared plus 1 to a power minus 2 times, so I'm continuing here, which is cosine 3t squared plus 1 times 3 times 2t. Okay, so this is my answer, and we don't need to do any simplification.